Welcome back to Trusted Nose with the man that likes to smell good. I hope you're well, in good health, and of course, smelling great, smelling noisy, noisy, just smelling. So recently, I've been looking for a cheapie that is a grab and go, fresh type of scent that I can wear in the spring/summer. So I came across Abercrombie Fitch First Instinct. Got the bottle right here. So there was no point in me buying a sample, so I had to buy the whole bottle, and I think it was like £27 for 100 ml. And you know, that's a good deal. But anyway, I'm doing too much talking and I'm ready. I hope you're ready. So we got Abercrombie Fitch First Instinct, first impression / unboxing. Let's go. Before I start, let me read you out the notes according to Fragrantica. So the top notes consist of melon, tonic water, and gin. The middle notes consist of violet leaf, Szechuan pepper, citruses, and the base consists of musk, suede, and amber. So let me crack this open right now. I don't really have high expectations for it. Hey, this is hard. What? I can't even open this. Put my mouth on it as well. That's when I catch something. All right, let's go. So yeah, just the standard Abercrombie & Fitch bottle. I'm sure you've seen it before. I'm not really gonna get into it. So let me crack this open. Hey, this is in my hand, you know? Can you imagine? Okay. So here's the bottle. A decent bottle. It's just what I expected. Like, it's good. It's just standard Abercrombie & Fitch. Cap's all right. Get to the sprayer. Sprayer is decent as well as plastic. So yeah. So first impressions. Let's go. Gonna spray it on the left hand, left wrist. Ooh, missed that. Atomizer is decent. Hey. Got my eye. But overall, I can smell it in the air right now. It's what I expected. Like, it's all right, you know. I'm getting that melon coming through like straight away. A little bit of that gin. It just smells. It smells like so like easy to wear. It's just me, not my expectations right now. So something smells like it's easy to wear. It's kind of masculine as well. The melon is there. Opening is really nice. It's like a fresh, bright, youthful fragrance. It smells good in the air. It smells good on the skin as well. I'm not getting the suede right now, but it'll probably come in later on when it dries down fully. But yeah, opening is good. I like this. I like this a lot. It doesn't smell super unique, but I've managed my expectations anyway, because it's, like I said, it's only £27. It's a cheapie. I don't expect it to be like crazy different to everything else that's out there in the designer realm. But for the price point, it's good. It's good. I like this one. I'm probably gonna wear this. I'm gonna wear this. What am I talking about? Probably. I'm gonna wear this. I'm gonna give this a good wearing. It's got a masculine feel, but I guarantee you've probably smelt this before when you've gone into like the Abercrombie & Fitch store. You've gone into what's the other brand they used to have? They used to have another brand. What's it called? what's the other brand? Yeah, what's the other brand called? Hollister, that's it, Hollister. We got Abby Views over here just listening, just clicking away. I edited one of our videos, whatever. Go and subscribe, yeah? Because you're a good person, yeah? Go and subscribe. But, yeah. Yeah, it's alright, it's decent, a bit decent. It's alright, it's good. It's good. So, if you like this video, please remember to like, comment, and subscribe. Be much appreciated. But also, follow me on Instagram, trusted_nose. And you know what I'm going to say, more videos out soon.